You're not getting bad results from GPT because it's broken. No, you're getting bad results because your energy, your personal self isn't in the prompt. Most people are using GPT like it's a Google search, but GPT is way more than Google. It's a mirror. And if your prompts are coming from confusion, self-doubt, or copy-paste thinking, guess what it reflects? When your vision is clear and your message is rooted in purpose, the big why that you're in business, the big why you need these answers, boom, that's when magic happens. And I show you how we teach this in my Manifesto Blueprint Workshop, where we turn your mission into an AR-powered messaging that lands. Join me in the next workshop. Find the link below this video, and I'll see you there. And let's make your GPT, your best friend, personal assistant that sounds like you, thinks like you, acts like you, and makes money like your biggest dreams and goals. Take care.